Welcome to Crochet HD. I'm your host, Jackie. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I consider you a one-hit wonder. I'm glad you're here. If you are a repeat offender, a member of the GlamFam, I thank you for your support. Today's video is an unboxing from a company that I have purchased from previously, I believe last year or the year before, but this time Not-Heddy bought me a mystery bag. Yay! Thank you, Not-Heddy. She's right here. Okay, so the company is called DotsYarnDen, and I believe most of they're like a supplier of scapies. I know it unless I have to say the word. It's not sheepies. It's like shapies. I think it's shapies. We're going to open it up. Now, previously, I'm so scared to open this, y'all. Last time I ordered from them, the bag was inside of a bag. So therefore, it should be really easy to open it, and I shouldn't fear the scissor. Don't fear the scissor. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut. Wait. Y'all, I got PTSD. PTYD, post-traumatic yarn syndrome. PTYS, post-traumatic yarn syndrome. Okay.
And dyslexia.
Yeah. It affects 10 out of 3 families every year. Okay. Y'all see this, right? This is how I'm going to cut right here. Not cutting the packaging. Okay. All right. And it had perforation, so I didn't cut the bag. Woo! You do something one time. So, just like before. Oh. Here she is. This is it's a large mystery bag. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. Ooh wee, what is this? This is what is that? The After Party Scrumptious Stripes Blanket. Wait a minute.
Is it a pattern?
Okay, it is a pattern by Helen Anderson. It is a crochet pattern, so yay there. Crochet pattern. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is Scapies. Well, just whatever. Our Tribe. It is 100 grams, 420 meters. I haven't shown it to you yet. 70% superwash merino, 30% polyamide, and the color is 980. And it looks like this. Ooh, ooh, I like that. There's a reason why people do unboxings alone.
No, they don't. They have people behind the camera.
No, see, right now I feel like I'm unboxing with Simon Cowell.
Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Gordon Ramsay. Anyway, there's the first thing of yarn. Second. Oh, wow. Okay. Scapies, whatever. Terrazzo, a muslin-free and recycled felted tweed yarn. The color is lemon in number 702. It is a DK weight. Okay, I'm going to show you wow, that is so pretty. That is a thick, oh, nope, never mind. It's not soft though. Like, I'm guessing it might, hang on. See if we can see the yarn content. 70% recycled muslin-free wool and 30% recycled viscose.
Well, there you go. It's mostly wool.
Well, yeah, because I'm pretty sure the tweed is the viscose. So yeah. So that's okay then, because now I know to stop doing that. Anyway, I like this color, and this is Katona Denim.
She won an Oscar last year.
I like it's like a washed look. It's 100% cotton. Fingering weight. Color is number 135. Oh, look at that. Oh, no.
For an American girl.
Look at this. Okay, so it's in an organza bag, which means I need to hide it from Luther because Luther loves to eat tulle and organza. Anyway, so there's some stitch markers here. And I'm actually going to do a video I've been planning on about stitch markers because I have opinions. Anyway, but I do like the cute little scissor. And then it's got these cute river washed minis. Oh wait, that one's river washed. This one is stone washed. Stone washed. Ooh, that's bringing me back. Oh, okay, so they're both cotton acrylic blends, the same 7822. I love this color. Okay, that's cute. Okay, it's another one of the terrazzo, like this one. Hey, these could even go together. I like this. I mean, I like these, and before I forget, because it's what I do, I'm wearing my hot cocoa sweater, cardigan, and it felted. I did it kind of on purpose because it had stretched out so much, and now that it has felted a little bit, it is thicker and denser, and therefore it's going to be even better as far as blocking the wind, so I'm okay with that. I've still yet to put on buttons, but that's coming. And since my recent foray into non-superwash wools, I am finding a new appreciation for them. So I like that I'm going to get to play with some non-superwash wool in DK weight. Another katana this 100% cotton, and the colorway is number 192. It doesn't say how much is in the skein. It reminds me of the Hobie 8488, whatever the numbers are, but I guess all fingering weight cotton kind of looks alike.
Looks like marbling.
Look at the marbling on that corned beef.
Ooh.
Oh, nice. It is a
Cake.
Oh, there's a warning on the package.
Do not ingest.
Look.
Do not consume.
Feeling this yarn might.
For external use only.
It is a whirl, and look at the color. It looks to me like what I imagine. Okay, so there's that really expensive yarn. It's all in all the Andrea Mowry patterns. What is it called? It's at the tip of my tongue. Something.
Sister.
You're not helping.
Mowry.
Why can't I think of the name of it? I literally just watched a video and they were talking about the yarn. Anyway, it's the color changing yarn. It's like dyed in the wool or some other whatever, but very high end, and it's color changing. This is kind of what I think it looks like. Normally it's in a hank or even like a bullet shape, you know, like this. That's what this reminds me of. Nope. Anyway, that's what this kind of reminds me of. Marbling, really. That is the word that I'm looking for, I think. This is really pretty. Color number 769, Blackberry Mint Chip. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. Fingering weight 215 grams or 1,000 meters. So that's a little, I forget how you do the meters to yards thing. Hang on. How many yards is in 1,000 meters?
1,000 meters is equivalent to 1,093.613 yards.
So 1,093 yards.
Are you going to say what he said?
93 yards is equal to 0.0528 miles.
Thank you.
You got it.
This would be a very, very, very beautiful shawl.
Wow.
Shut up. This is the part where I would usually thank the person who gifted this to me. But she's over here.
Google.
But she's over here. She's over here acting a clown.
You're welcome.
Okay, so with a mystery bag, it's always the question of, was it worth it? Well, do you think it was worth it? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we really count these?
That's probably what she meant by including
something extra. So I got 8 different put-ups of yarn.
Crumbs.
Yeah. 8 different put-ups of yarn. Some stitch markers. And a crochet pattern. $45. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Scapies whatever website and look up the prices of these and let you know. I mean, I'm not disappointed in any. Well, again, I will talk about stitch markers at another time because I have opinions. Anyway, I love this. Okay, wait. All right. I said
it's still like a color scheme to them.
420 meters. Okay, wait a minute. I'm seeing where the, holy cow. So on these teeny tiny little bad boys, they're 10 grams or 24 meters.
Yeah, what you gonna do?
Yeah. I think because it's cotton, okay, it's cotton acrylic. I mean, they could just be added in to, like, this is cotton acrylic. You think? Is this fingering weight? No, these are sport weight. Never mind, sirs, you can stay right there. I'm sure I have something that these can go into, or they are just Cabbage Patch Kid yarn. So thank you for joining me for my yarn DotsYarnDen unboxing. Oh, that's irritating. Okay. So if you think this is something that you would like to see again, not this, but you know, if you'd like to come back and revisit this, all of this.
Ew. Why would you say all of this? That's kind of weird, bro.
This is why I feel alone.
Oh.
I do love you.
Too bad.
The GlamFam loves you, right?
That's more believable. I can believe that one.
Anyway, if you'd like to stick around and become a member of the GlamFam, you can do that by clicking that subscribe button. And don't forget to rock that notification bell. Until next time, I've been Jackie.